Welcome to Puka Boracay! Kaya sobrang gate change na tayo. So, busy talaga may pasimuno. Diyos ko, may iwan pa. Oh, she's so excited. Yay! Up to go! First time na mag-Boracay. Are you excited? Yeah! Lipad.
Diyos ko po, parang naiwan yung aking katawan sa baka.
Sama ba? Anong feeling?
Wala naman.
Welcome to Boracay, guys! Ano yung dito? Perfect. Saan kayo mag-audition? Welcome to Kalaya, Boracay! Ano yung sila gusto mo?
Ito, no rice.
Bako, ready ka makagsusa. Ready ka na ang gago. Sabi na naman sila, kain na naman sila. The fuck, princess. Tsaka na siya sumit-sumit. Oh, rapa. Oh, pak, pak, pak. Tak, tak, tarak. Pak, pak. Morning guys, Ice Candy. Kakatapos ko kumain ng chicken skin. So Ice Candy kami masarap, mango fresh. Sarap nga. Happy lunch. And we have the first. Galing kami kay Mango Mama. Ay, hindi pa siya tapos oh. Hindi pa siya tapos kay Mango Mama. Ah, dito naman tayo guys. Yeah, we're heading to Galaxy on another VIP treatments. Oh, pretty. Oh, mga juice. Cheers! Yes!
Hak. VIP kami.
Ayan, the lady is flying. So they're having coffee now.
Flight J892 bound for Manila, and all the guests for this flight to Manila must be on board.